We'll guide you through how to upload and post your first YouTube video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go to the top right of YouTube, and if you aren't already, go and sign into your account and make sure you've got the right one selected. Then you can press create in the top right and press upload video. What you can do is press select files and go and find the video you want to do this with, select it and press open. What you can do is you can then go and give it a title, make it something catchy. Next, you can add a description to tell views about your videos. You can add other useful information there as well. Next, you can add a thumbnail. This is a picture preview which will appear on YouTube. When you click upload file, you can choose an image. You'll need to verify your channel. So press verify and verify it. When you've done that, you can come back here and press it and choose an image. You can add it to a playlist to help organize your content. Choose the audience, make sure you read this through and understand it. In this case, it's not made for kids. Choose if it's age restricted, press show more, and you've got some different options here as well. So in this case, it's not altered content, it's not a paid promotion. Scroll down, I don't go and change any of this, I don't add tags. You can choose the video language. Keep scrolling down, once again, I don't change these, it's set from the category, this is people and blogs. Then we can go and press next. Here you can add video elements. Here you can add subtitles. You can add an end screen to help promote related content and cards which will promote content related during the video. So add them if you wish. Press next and these are checks which will be ran through. Then press next again. What you want to do is make sure you go and set it to public, or you can go and schedule it. These other settings means not everyone will be able to go and see it, and you can then press publish in the bottom right. That's it, it's now on YouTube, you can go and share it and people will be able to find it.